Hey, Eric here from AHA, and I manage an internal product wiki with just a couple of documents in it. Too many, honestly, for my little brain. So today I'm going to show you how to use custom fields to wrangle all of them. Check it out. Okay, here we are in AHA Knowledge. I've got a fancy little product wiki right here, all organized nicely into folders, but I don't always want to see my content in folders. I also want to see it by category, team, status, a whole bunch of other things. So I've got a randomly selected sort of customer interview right here, and down at the bottom, looky, bunch of custom fields, right? Most of these are filled out. We can fill out some together. It was a customer interview. Maybe it also had to do with authentication. You know, we got some topics in here that Matt was really passionate about. Now, this is a good starter list of custom fields. If I wanted to add more, I could always click add a custom field right there and see, just a whole bunch of different custom field types that I could add to the document layout. Rule of thumb, start super simple and then get more complex as your business needs get more sophisticated. So I'm not gonna add a new one right now. That is custom fields. Anything I wanna track on a document, I can do it right here. Let me show you what reporting is like. This is a list report we built based on the customer interview type, and down here at the bottom is Mr. Jones and me. There's Matt Jones. So I can click into any of these to open the notes in question, close them again, or I can check these boxes to bulk edit things. Maybe a lot of folks are really interested in Android and analytics and other things that start with A. And that is it. Wikis ain't tricky. You've got all the custom fields you need in the world, all the reporting you need. You're going to do great. Enjoy.